Hi guys, welcome back. The last time I showed you how to do a painting with negative space but in white. This is it dry. Today I will be showing you how to do a pour with negative space in black. I added a little bit of white in the bottom of the cup and then I put all 5 colors in there. Let's get started. Oh, I should tell you I do have black paint on this canvas. So there you have it, guys. A pour with black negative space. This turned out quite stunning. So there's a total of only 3 drops of silicone. And in the bottom of the dirty cup, I added about 2 tablespoons of white paint. Not much, just enough to coat the bottom of the cup. And before I did the pour, I covered the entire canvas with black paint, equal parts paint to Floetrol with no silicone. That's for the black. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.